Kunyara ko ligiriria na kunyara ko mwegerero mwana munyaruka umenyenga buno ino kolekana ase Kaunti ya Homabay abono ase komekome kantabu na AIDS Earth Foundation kyaba kyo corona kunyara ko robo semi bwabo mulikito kuru ase Kaunti ya Homabay job mangi na bagotara gwika sensemi ya somo jigo kolekana na boigo ni gatomanyeke ngesekiali kolekana se tukolia lero na nchira moyo kunyara ko sira na kumwegerero mwana omunyaruka,
so that we can support these girls. And thank you and God bless you.
Atomiro Dispensary as Homabay County, celebrating the International Day for the Girl Child with the theme, Girls for the Future. So we want to recognize our girls, the girl child. Every family wants to have children. In Homabay County today, if you come to the executive, we have a good percentage of females sitting in the executive with Their Excellency the Governor. Our chief officers are 50% female. These ladies who have made achievements or strides in life so that our girls in school can learn from them. They can emulate them and they can have the courage that they can also face the future. Initiated dialogues with our community because it's a multi-sectoral thing. For our girls to be defended, for them to be protected, for them to get their rights, everybody must come together to fight for them.
So Homabay was in rise, and now Homabay is there's a reduction, as explained, that by 10%, and we are committed to see that there is more reduction. And what we want it to be zero, that the children are not violated, and the cases of GBV are also rated to zero.
I also hope for a future where all girls are given their rights and they are given opportunity to be whatever they want to be in life without any discrimination, no matter what it is. We're meant to at least make the boy child to understand that without us, nothing on earth can go on.
Been able to showcase our skills, we've been able to learn, and also we have been able to entertain ourselves. We can only empower the girl child by taking her to school. By taking her to school in an affordable environment whereby they can be able to afford the education system, and then they can be able